Hi, thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Here I am going to discuss about data analytics projects. It's related to forecastings of important pump parameters like vibration, temperatures, amperes, and any other related parameters. Here, in this project I'll be using 2 years past data, and so I got this data from a sensor. Naturally, that I have divided this project into three parts, and so you'll get three videos of this project. First video is consists of data cleanings, and second video is data visualization, and my third videos is model forecasting models with ARIMA X regressions. So enjoy it, see it, and comment on it. Thank you. This is the first portion of parts of my project videos. It is basically contains the data cleaning portions that I have used. The whole project I have it's a very simpler way. The code are very simple way I have written it, and I feel good while completing these projects because the more I am getting in depth in the data analytics, I feel more interested, and I am satisfied by integrating my domain knowledge in power sectors with that data analytics. So I hope you enjoyed all the three videos. Hi everybody, it's today I'm going to share one of my project, that is I have done a forecasting models on ARIMA X regressions. I have taken the data of important pump like vibrations, amperes, current, and all those things parameters I have taken, like uh, you have seen this case pressures, level, vibrations of motor driving and non-driving and sides, bearing sides, all these things parameter I have taken. I am going to create a forecasting models of next 2 weeks, and where I'll take each parameter at a target value in on times, and the rest are the rest correlated parameters as X regressions, and then I'll do the ARIMAX models. So I have basically divided this whole project into three videos. One is I'll do data cleaning in first, and second videos I'll show the visualizations, explorations, and the third, the last videos I'll show the forecasting models with ARIMAX and animation parts. So let's go through the data cleaning. Basically, I have taken all the models library packages like ggplot, forecast, deploy, color tool, Joule, TS series, XTS, lubricate, plotly, grid extra at the initials, and so that it can be done as smoothly. So let I have upload the data here. Then this what is the data? It's look like this is the raw data. Then in the raw data there must be a in raw data there must be a many missing values, and zero, that here it is a missing value we are saying, and is so I have to clean it. Then the structures of the what type of structure my data is telling. It's telling that data frame. Okay, it's good. I want the data frame only. And then the type, I have to change the date format in this. Here is the date which is not in date format, factor format. You have seen this is factor format, so I'll change the into date formats. And then let's see that what are the missing value. I have used a L apply, and it's all and I'll check its change to numeric format of all factors. I have changed to numeric column with this code, and then the structures of this code, now it's become numeric. And the last it is the raw data I have taken. Since I'll cancel this this is not required. I'll cancel this column, these factors. And column wise, is there any missing value, is it will be showing. See, there is a missing value amperes, and this is the missing value. I can also have a missing value with the summary of this. There is a missing value in motor driving and x vibrations, x direction, then z directions. There are missing value. This I can have a outlier with, see, what are the outliers. This is the list of outliers I can and next is that I don't want some of the columns which are not required. I don't have the value, like column 7, column 9. These are the I don't record this level 1, level 2 columns are there, so I'll delete one column. Then RPM is rotation column, there's no data, is I don't require this, so I have deleted this column. And the outliers also with the box plot is I have already shown before. We can list out the outliers, like next, what are the outliers this time also some outliers is there. I list out it and check what are the list with the list out and index functions. I will check out this with this command. I can check out where the index, where are the outliers. If I see, actually these are not outliers, these are the condition. Since I'm taking the ampere value, this is the ampere value. So these are the, when there is a 0 or negative, some portion is there, so this indicate that the pump did not run at that times. Here the pump is already, this is the error value. Value has been uploaded, so I don't know, it's basically a 0. So I'll clean this value, and is dot, with this function is dot NA CW pump is less than 0. I'll replace it with minus with 0, replacing the lower values with less than 150. I'll do also the 0, because these are the outliers. Pump has a rated amperes of 234. Generally it runs at this, so it never runs below 200. So while I replace this below 150, I'll replace with the 0 value, then replace the maximum greater than 250 will show also the I'll replace it. Then last I'll again see that is there any, how is the outlier now looking. So it's now the box plot has much more in improved conditions I have taken. So this is the generally cleaning data cleaning is to be taken most probably, since this is the from a sensor I have taken this data. The very minimum cleaning is basically required, because unless your sensor is bad, or it won't capture the outliers data. So only that minimum cleaning is required in this type of data. And lastly, at the last conditions, the index, if where is the data outliers is level, I can check it. And the number 12 I don't require, so I can, this is the number 12 column, I can clean that also. Final data sheet is this. This is the another cleaning I required. I have done transform function. What I have done, if that ampere is 0, then rest if ampere is 0 means the pump remains in stop conditions, the current remains in stop 0, showing that the pump remains in stop conditions. So the rest of the parameter in that row should be also either 0 or also should be also 0 condition, or either should be near to normal, like bearing temperature, it should be at ambient temperature, it should not show high temperature. Then vibration should be 0. So I have done that with this all the transformations I have done. So this is the last. I reshape the data to for better for visualizations. Reshape package, reshape to package. I melt it and with the date id dot parts equal to date columns, and so I have plotted this, and in this plot I do. So this is the generally that has been this basic. This is the plots that will show the what are the main parameter there where I can make a models, and so here in this plot we see that lot of outliers has been neglected. Some outliers in Ampere are showing in 150 only, but these are not since I have taken you before, and less than 150 it will show 0 degree. So this sometimes it reaches at these conditions, that's why it's totally, and very minimum nothing such outliers is there. This is the bearing temperature. This is the at stop condition pump is showing ambient temperature. That's why these are the dots you are seeing. So this data cleaning is initial parts and very important parts. It skips before it takes lots of time for data clearing, and then my next step will be a visualization. So thank you for watching. So you can watch my next video for visualization, and then the third video for forecasting with ARIMAX model. Thank you.